Alrighty, this will be the last video in my YouTube filming spree for today. We're gonna be looking at this Hoover Encore limited edition from 1990. I'm not sure how limited edition it is, but what I do know is that in the Maytag area, Hoover recycled a lot of their names such as Encore, Spirit, Sprint, Dimension, even Convertible, but this is, I think, is one of the last convertible type machines. So we're gonna do a quick demo, and I believe this one I have set to shag, but I can set it to low for the purposes of this carpet. I guess the nice thing about the shag setting is that it really grooms the carpet well. So here we go. Yum, burning rubber. Well, at least it cleaned the carpet. So, thank you for watching as always, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.